Smart Up Your Life.
Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life, and this is our last session for tonight. Oh my God, so sad. But I'm curious to continue the conversation, know the detail about Miss Dewi's memory, Miss Dewi's important moment in her life. So, please, Miss Dewi.
Yeah, actually the day I met my husband for the first time, and we didn't took a longer time for flirting each other, yeah.
Okay.
And he
Guys,
asked
don't
me.
forget to write.
Yeah, he
This
asked
step.
me once. He asked me when the day your birthday, please tell me. Then I didn't expecting that he will come at my birthday for proposing me.
Mm-hmm.
Then he make it. Yeah, I mean, I was not we were not a kind of a romantic couple actually at the
yes.
moment. So that's why I was surprising, because he came into my parents. Then the 1 month before my birthday, he came to my parents for fixing that I would like to propose Dewi and blah 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 at 11 March.
Ooh.
And that was the moment. So I think, I mean, because this is not enders, yeah. But because I didn't expecting much from my man actually, then all of the things that is happened to me in my life right now was always surprisingly by him. So I mean, I didn't have to ask him that please do like this, blah blah blah, and he will do it for me. I mean, he will do it without I ask.
So sometimes if we put too much expectation
Yep.
to another people, we can be, how to say, kecewa.
Yeah,
How to
disappointed.
say
Disappointed.
because of our high expectation.
Yeah.
So okay, well, that's inspirational.
Uh,
Are you copying the step, guys?
Yeah, of course.
So okay,
Yeah, about.
maybe one day you should try the way her husband proposed to her when it in the birthday.
he didn't say much things, but he said by action.
Wow.
Anything he wants
Did
to
he say,
show to me.
"Will you marry me?" like that?
Yeah.
And giving a ring.
No.
With a
No,
rose?
no.
With
So
balance.
which one do you choose? If the rose that you ignore me, if the ring that you will be my wife.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Okay, not like that, yeah. That's another story. Well, but guys, I believe in our life, there's a good and a bad memories happen, a bad moment, and also good moments that happen in our life. We cannot deny it. Every day in our life can be history in the next year, in the future. So, what do you want to say to yourself? And 5 years, next 5 years.
Wow.
Okay. If you see yourself right now, and then you be someone in the next 10 years maybe. So what do you want to say
Wow.
to yourself? Hi, Achang.
I still want to be the president.
Okay. What do you want to say to yourself? Okay.
Wow. In 10 years,
For next 10
probably
years.
yeah. I would say probably to myself, Daddy, stop overthinking. Enjoying your life and just focus on one thing for sure. And thank you for striving so hard since the day end. And I've been proud of yourself. I've been proud of myself and yourself.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nahui?
Yeah, basically, I expect to be beneficial person in the future, so that I
Say
can.
hi Nahui.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Anahui.
Okay.
Here I am. Here I
okay.
am you in next 10 years.
Yeah, hello myself in the future. So I do hope that you can be a beneficial person. Yeah, and also maybe you can utilize your experience that you get, yeah, that you got in that you get now in the future, and then you can educate or share your knowledge or your experience in the people that's happening in the future. So yeah, thank you for listening people around you, because if you didn't listen people around you, yeah, you cannot be right now. Maybe you will be like useless person, or you can be yeah, the people that is totally useless, not like right now. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.
Amin.
Wow.
Oh, Mr. Achang, what do
Okay.
you want to say to yourself? Oh.
So I
Hi Achang, here I am. Oh my god, I'm right now a president.
Amin amin.
But you are older than right now.
So actually I just wanna say if I still alive, I'm Amin.
Amin, 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 amin.
Yeah, of course. I wanna say thanks a lot for everything, and I hope I can share about in my experience in my environment, for example, and especially I hope I have a wife.
Ooh, yes.
I forgot. Should I say that too?
Yes, you have one wife and 5 kids.
Wow. 2 kids is
Just
Enough,
2 kids.
okay. But I want 5. Okay, so Achang will be husband for the next 10 years. Yeah. Okay, Miss Dewi.
10 years from now, yeah.
Mm-mm.
I
So
mean,
your girl is grown up.
yeah.
As a
But
teenager.
first, the only things I ask to the God is I'm healthy, because I really realizing that my husband and my doctor are always need me more than 24 hours. So I want to see my doctor get her future, get married, and of course I want to be a grandma, a healthy grandma, and I can carry my own grandchild. Because for me, I mean, I already get all of my goals, going abroad, taking a vacation, and knowing, I mean, meet many people from
So you've done it
another
yourself.
country. Yeah, I have done with myself. So I mean, I want to put myself for my little family only.
Oh, so for the next 10 years, you say to yourself, "Hi, Dewi.
Hi, Dewi.
Here you are.
Hi, Dewi. You are
Taking
still
care
like
of your grandchild.
Yeah.
10 grandchilds, yeah.
Wow.
and look younger than before. Yeah.
Amin. Don't forget to use your skincare every day. Well, oh my God, guys, this is such a nice conversation, talking about moments in life. But yes, I hope we can learn so much lesson from the moments that happened in our life, and be better person every day. So yes, that's maybe the conclusion of our conversation, and then we move to the next session that our friends smart listener from BBC Makassar, they will share to you the idioms and also expressions maybe that you can use in your daily conversation and improve your English skill before we close the program. Who wants to share first?
Okay,
Idioms maybe?
Maybe me first.
Yes.
Okay, so actually I have 2 idioms in here. First is pulled a rabbit out of his head. Itu artinya melakukan sesuatu yang tak terduga. Jadi, for example is a sentence. I thought we were certain to lose, but my partner pulled a rabbit out of his head, and we finally won the competition. And the second,
Okay, put a rabbit.
pulled apa itu Kak?
Put a
Pull.
rabbit.
Pull.
Pull.
The rabbit
Uh-huh.
on his head.
Pulled.
Like a magician, right?
Okay,
Yeah,
actually.
means you have to pull out.
I just wanna make sure actually.
Oh, yeah.
Pulled a rabbit
Pulled a rabbit out of his head.
out of his head.
Yeah, out of his head.
Okay, like a magician, right?
Mhm.
Dari topik.
Mhm.
Okay. So,
Okay, The second.
Yes.
Okay, the second
idea.
is go to extra mile. Iya, mile.
Mile.
Artinya itu berusaha lebih keras untuk mencapai tujuan. Okay, for example is my English class was great and we learned so much because our teacher always went the extra mile for us.
Okay.
think that's all.
Well, we have to go to extra mile to be a successful businessman, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Miss Rachan.
Okay.
There's another one. Miss Dewi.
Okay.
Okay.
I have actually two, but I will give you the first one is a skillless cucumber. So a skillless cucumber means that you are distressed and very relaxed to any situation. For example, there is this what's that called? Catastrophe happened, for example, or there is a burning house happened, but he's sitting there a skillless cucumber. It means that he doesn't bother at all by anything. So no matter what happened in your life, just be a skillless cucumber.
As how to pronounce?
As cool as cucumber. Cool.
As cool as
Yeah,
cucumber.
cucumber. Yeah, you know how cool
So,
cucumber is.
Santuy, ya.
Yeah.
In Indonesia, in bahasa Gaul we say santuy.
Santuy, that's so true.
Santuy. Okay.
And the second one is head in the cloud, means that they are too imaginative to a certain point that you don't know your reality. For example, I think Achang is having his head in the cloud that he thinks he can go abroad while having no money. So don't too imaginative. If you want to go abroad, having money first. So that's so easy, right? So as cool as cucumber and head in the cloud.
Okay.
Yeah.
Head in the cloud.
Head in the cloud.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Daddy. Mr. Nahwi.
Okay, I have one idioms to share. So my idioms is every cloud has a silver lining. So it means that every problems or no matter what's happened, it will be always have like solutions. So that's why.
Yes.
That's it. I can say.
After rain,
Yeah.
it's always
Every cloud has a silver lining.
okay.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
has a silver lining.
Yeah.
Okay, like a rainbow after rain.
Yes,
yeah?
that's true.
Okay. Miss Dewi.
I'm enough.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Oh my God, the item is inspirational. Oh my God,
Related
thank
with
you.
our discussion.
Yes, related to our topic tonight, and I hope you, smart listener, can find the how to say benefits, yeah, from our conversation tonight. And don't forget to join our conversation for next week, yeah. So, guys, thank you so much for coming tonight.
Thank you.
and We'll see you again next week. Rifa Magic signing out. Bye.